When choosing a solar company, it's essential to look for a provider with a strong reputation, relevant certification, and experience in solar installation. Ensure they offer a thorough site assessment to design a system tailored to your home's energy needs. What you should look for is experience and reputation. Look for a solar installer with a solid track record and industry experience. A reputable company should have a portfolio of successful installations and positive customer reviews. Checking their experience with similar projects ensures they can meet your specific needs. You should also select an installer that provides clear, upfront pricing without hidden fees. They should also offer financing options to help you understand available rebates and grants, ensuring the project stays within your budget. Choose an installer that offers comprehensive warranties on both the installation and equipment. This provides peace of mind, knowing you'll receive support in case of system issues or maintenance needs. And finally, ensure the installer is certified and licensed by relevant authorities, such as SEAI. These certifications confirm their expertise and adherence to safety and industry standards.